Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is your name?
My name is ILO EMMANUEL.
What do you do?
I'm a dancer, actor, and also a decorator.
How did you become a dancer?
I became a dancer when I joined the Amaka 2014.
Do you like how do you like dancing?
Yeah, I love dancing. That is why I joined the Amaka.
Okay, you started dancing when you joined Amaka, or you've been dancing before you joined them?
I've been dancing with another group before I joined them.
That means since you were a kid, you've been dancing, or maybe at age of 10 or 12. When did you start dancing?
I've been dancing when I was a kid, even in school. I do cultural dance.
Tell me how you feel about dancing. What do you really like about dancing?
I feel so happy when I'm dancing. It lifts my spirits. So I love dancing. I just love it.
How do you feel that the whole world is watching you on the screen as we are talking right now and showing your dancing steps?
I feel so happy. In the dancing career, I want to see myself so high, like Ruby Ojiako, those people that are known, that are dancers.
What do you want the company to help you? Where do you want the company to help you get to?
I want the company to help me to build my dancing career, for us to, for them to take me higher, and I also work for them to go higher too.
So what's your advice to those people who are listening to you right now that wants to become dancers like you?
My advice to them is for them to stick to their career. If dancing is their career, let them work towards it. And let them join the Amaka Star Dancers. We are great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name once again?
ILO EMMANUEL.
Where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State.
Where exactly?
Naija, in an local government area.